Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm gonna show you my PM skincare routine for oily acne prone skin. This is like super requested video. Like you guys kept asking me for this video to share my skincare routine. So my skin is not like ideal flawless skin, I know that, but कुछ साल पहले तक my skin was so bad, like I can't even like look at myself in the mirror. It was that bad. तो अभी बहुत like ठीक ठाक हो चुका है स्किन, but again you can see a lot of pimples right here. Since my skin is super oily and sensitive, तो इस सीजन चेंज के टाइम में थोड़ा बहुत ब्रेकआउट्स हो रहा है अभी, but thankfully now I know how to control these acne, so that's I'm gonna share today. And none of these products I'm gonna show you in this video is sponsored. Everything is purchased by myself. So I've been using these products for quite some time now, and these products are my holy grail. So these are tried and tested, so you guys can totally trust me. So here is a small disclaimer. Since everyone's skin is different, I know some products might react differently on different skin. Like oily skin है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जो भी मैं recommend कर रही हूँ या फिर मैं use कर रही हूँ वो सब like suit करे. So yeah, it's totally depending upon your skin type and skin condition. So these are products that actually suit my skin. So yeah, that's it. So anyways, welcome back to my channel, The Glow Getter. This is Srinanthi, and if you're watching my videos for the very first time, then please subscribe to my channel. And also if you like this video, then like if you like this topic basically, then please keep on watching. So before starting my skincare, I'm gonna quickly go and change my outfit. Alright, so मैंने change कर लिया है. Now let's start. So as a first step, I'm going to double cleanse my face, क्योंकि मैंने मेकअप किया हुआ है and उसको remove करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And there are a lot of people who have no idea what double cleansing is. Let me simplify this double cleansing to you. Basically, when you are wearing makeup or even just sunscreen, you have to remove your that makeup or sunscreen with a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, or you can use micellar water like this. This is I'm going to use today. And then you have to, like second time you have to cleanse with a cleanser. So this is actually called double cleansing. इससे क्या होता है कि whenever you are wearing makeup or sunscreen, वो generally pore के अंदर तक जाता है and pore को clog कर देता है. So if you don't do double cleansing, तो वो products जो है वो like पोर के अंदर ही रह जाता है and it causes you acne and whiteheads. So this is very important to double cleanse your face. If you are not doing double cleansing yet, please do that. And also there's one more thing, a lot of people use that makeup cleansing wipes. Don't use that. Wipes are super harsh on your skin. Like when you are dragging like this, it like causes you irritation and like थोड़ा सा जल सकता है skin. It's very harsh. I don't prefer like wipes. What I like to do is I always use this kind of like microfiber towel. Microfiber towel की यही like speciality है. Even if you are on the rush and if you're super tired and you have like no energy to use any balm or micellar water, you can just use this as a makeup remover. ये भी बहुत अच्छे से clean कर देता है. So what I do is मैं इन दोनों का एक साथ यूज़ करती हूँ. सो इससे बहुत अच्छे से मेकअप क्लीन हो जाता है. सो आई एम गोना शो इट टू यू नाउ. लेट्स डू दिस. नाउ लेट्स क्लीन. Done. Now I'm going to use a cleanser. For the cleanser I'm going to use this one. This is Dermaco 1% salicylic acid face wash. So basically I prefer to use a face wash which has salicylic acid, because salicylic acid helps you to prevent extra oil secretion, and also it controls acne and sebums. So that's why I always use face washes which has salicylic acid, and if you have super oily acne prone sensitive skin, then please use a salicylic acid based face wash. And also there is another face wash that I absolutely love. Like I don't even remember कि कितना मैंने यूज़ कर लिया है उसका, which is Diquil Fruit AHA face wash. They actually I think they have two variants. Like एक तो है typical oily skin के लिए which is a little bit blue face wash. मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. There is another one, Fruit AHA. That's amazing. That's for all skin types and एक daily exfoliator की तरह भी काम करता है, and that's beautiful. And that's very like gentle on the skin, so I absolutely love that. तो मैं उसका link डाल दूँगी नीचे, so in case you guys wanna check that out, so you can. That's it. Now मैं इसको धो के आती हूँ. All right, so मैंने face wash कर लिया है. Now let's moving on to the next step. And as the third step, I'm going to use a toner, and for that I'm using this. This is Ordinary 7% glycolic acid toning solution. Again, it's a daily exfoliator, and I don't use this particular toner every day. I think I use it for like twice or thrice a week, and this glycolic acid actually helps you to prevent black patches, uneven skin tones, and also acne marks. So always do a patch test before use any kind of acidic like toners or serums, but this particular toning solution is for all skin types. So this toner only meant to be used at night because 7% glycolic acid है, and डे टाइम में अगर इसको यूज़ करेंगे तो लाइक सनबर्न होने की बहुत चांसेस है. इसको लगाने का और एक रूल्स है, लाइक वेन एवर यू आर यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टोनर, द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू वोक अप, the first thing you need to do is wash your face completely with a good gentle cleanser, and then apply a thick layer of sunscreen even if you are staying home. And also this toner has multiple use. You can totally use it on, so wherever you have like strawberry skin or ingrown hair or like black patches, just use it on that spot, and that will like literally that helps a lot to prevent those problems. And yeah, that's it. So ये अभी like absorb हो चुका है, and then the next step is I'm going to use this one. This is, everyone knows about this. This is Cosrx 96 Snail Mucin, and I like to use this just right after I apply my toner because तब भी skin थोड़ा बहुत damp होता है और तो ये quickly absorb हो जाता है. So I'm taking 2 pumps of this and then just press it. This Snail Mucin basically helps you to tighten your skin and also gives you a beautiful within sort of glow without being oily or greasy. It's so good. Alright, so it already absorbed into my skin, but you can still see the glow. I absolutely love this product. It's super hydrating. Like बहुत अच्छा वाला एक like it's a feel good product. So the next step is serum, and for that I'm using this one. This is Dermaco 2% salicylic acid face serum. Salicylic acid serum actually meant to be like prevent your like acne. It should control the sebums, but trust me, बहुत अच्छा रिव्यू था इस डर्माको प्रोडक्ट का, इसलिए मैंने नायका समर पिंक सेल से लिया था, बट आई एम सो डिसअपॉइंटेड. बहुत अच्छा रिव्यू था, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट डिडंट वर्क फॉर मी. लाइक इसको मैं लगा रही हूँ एंड स्टिल आई लाइक यू कैन सी द हालत ऑफ माई स्किन राइट नाउ. बहुत दिनों के बाद ऐसा ब्रेकआउट्स है मेरे स्किन पे, एंड आई एम सो ऑफेंडेड, and I kept using this but nothing is actually happened, no difference. So मैं बहुत fed up होके like I have actually ordered my minimalist one. So that was the first ever salicylic acid actually मैंने use किया था, and that makes a huge difference in my skin. So like मैं उसमें ही वापस जा रही हूँ, it's actually not working. Okay, now I'm going to use another serum, but this like I don't use this serum like every single day. I'm using this Ordinary like 0.5% retinol serum. So I like to use this like once a week or like once in 15 days. तो क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट्स के सामने एवरी सिंगल डे काम करते हैं एंड ऑल्सो वी आर वेयरिंग लाइक मेकअप लाइक ऑलमोस्ट फॉर एवरी सिंगल डे लाइक हेवी मेकअप, तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत लाइक तो मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि थोड़ा सा फाइलेंस आ रहा था अंडर आई पे, सो आई गॉट रियली स्केर्ड एंड आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस। इसलिए मैं इसको रेगुलर नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ, लाइक वंस अ वीक एक्चुअली इट like improve my skin a lot. So yes, so if your skin is actually facing that early stage of aging, please include a retinol serum in your skincare right now, क्योंकि it's better late than never. So just include this and you will see the changes in your skin. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है। That's it. It has a really bad smell. इसका टेक्सचर ना थोड़ा सा लाइक नॉन स्टिकी ऑयली जैसा है, सो इट विल लाइक टेक सम टाइम टू लाइक अब्सॉर्ब इनटू योर स्किन. सो ऑल राइट, सो ये ऑब्जॉर्व हो चुका है completely, but still you can see the glow. I love it. Now I'm going to use a under eye cream, and currently I'm using this Pilgrim, like this is red wine under eye cream, and it's really good. That's it. Now the last step is a moisturizer. So right now I'm using this to moisturizer. This one, of course, everyone know. This is Dot & Key 72 hours hydration moisturizer. I love that. I use it all the time. Like मैं daytime में भी यही use करती हूँ. And the next thing is actually a sleeping mask. This is from Nimli. This is the aloe vera and hyaluronic acid like sleeping mask. It's very good. It's super hydrating. Like इसको लगाने के बाद like next morning your skin just become a baby soft. I love it. It's so hydrating. ये जेल फॉर्म में है and it's for all skin type. So आज मैं इसको यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. I've already like almost finished it. So yeah. So here is a small tip which I like to do is if you do have a really like dry and chapped lips, always like lip balm तो of course सब लगाते हैं, but always try to use like all those skincare products whatever you are using on your face, like always use those on your lips as well, क्योंकि उससे एक extra hydration आता है lip को. बहुत लोग ये नहीं करते, like lip को skip कर देते हैं, so don't do that. Alright, so okay. Alright, so my skincare is done. Now it's time for a lip balm, and for that I'm using this one. This is Vaseline Lip Therapy. I love it. The only worst thing is the package. So the packaging is so bad that every time I want to use this or I think of using this, मुझे किसी को बोलना पड़ता है कि इसको ओपन करके दो. I really wish Vaseline इसका पैकेजिंग थोड़ा सा चेंज करे. So yeah, that's it. This is my authentic unsponsored skincare routine, which actually makes a huge difference in my skin. So yeah, that's it. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक कर देना एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना, एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन so that you guys get notified every single time I upload. So that's it. See you in my next video. Love you all.